Okay, got the canoe tied down to the top of the Jeep. I think it's ready to travel. Got to work on my knots. They're, I don't know, probably not consistent, and never was a good knot tire anyway. But anyway, got it tied down, feels secure. Got the strap across the middle that goes through the doors. Tied down on the front to the front bumper, which is very substantial, and it's centered on the Jeep. Got the little foam blocks under the pressure points on the gunnels of the canoe, and I don't think it's going anywhere. It seems steady enough, as of course the convertible Jeep top is not the sturdiest thing, but it does go across the roll bar on the in the center of the Jeep and then over the front windshield. So hopefully that will hold it down just fine. I'm going to take it for a ride and see what happens. I'll let you know. Riding just fine so far. Of course, I haven't been over about 35 miles an hour, so we'll see when I get out on the highway.